Welcome to this lesson on Standard Electrode Potential. In electrochemistry, understanding how different chemical species interact with electrons is crucial. Standard Electrode Potential is a fundamental concept that helps us measure and predict the behavior of electrochemical reactions. Specifically, it tells us about the reduction tendency of chemical species, that is, how likely a substance is to gain electrons. This knowledge is essential for understanding batteries, corrosion, electrolysis, and many other electrochemical processes. Let's start with the basics. Electrode potential is the tendency of an electrode to lose or gain electrons when it is in contact with its own ions in solution. Think of it as a measure of how much a substance wants to either give away electrons or accept them. When a metal electrode is placed in a solution containing its own ions, a potential difference develops at the interface. This potential depends on the nature of the metal and the concentration of ions in the solution. Different metals and ions have different tendencies to exchange electrons, which is what electrode potential quantifies. Electrode potential can be categorized into two main types. First, we have oxidation potential, which measures the tendency of a species to lose electrons, in other words, to undergo oxidation. Second, we have reduction potential, which measures the tendency to gain electrons or undergo reduction. These two are essentially opposite perspectives of the same electrochemical behavior. In modern electrochemistry, we primarily use reduction potentials as the standard convention, which means we express all electrode reactions in terms of their tendency to be reduced. Understanding both concepts helps us grasp the complete picture of electron transfer reactions. For electrode potentials to be meaningful and comparable, they must be measured under standardized conditions. These standard conditions are defined as a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, a pressure of 1 atmosphere, and a concentration of 1 molar for all aqueous species. By maintaining these consistent conditions, scientists can compare the electrode potentials of different substances fairly. Without standardization, variations in temperature, pressure, or concentration would make it impossible to create reliable tables of electrode potentials or to predict the outcomes of electrochemical reactions accurately. The standard reduction potential is represented by the symbol E degree, also written as E0. This value tells us how strongly a species tends to be reduced under standard conditions. But here's an important question: reduced compared to what? We need a reference point. That's where the standard hydrogen electrode comes in. The standard reduction potential of any half reaction is measured relative to the standard hydrogen electrode, which has been assigned a value of exactly 0.00 volts. This reference system allows us to create a comprehensive table of standard reduction potentials for different chemical species. The standard hydrogen electrode, abbreviated as SHE, is the universal reference electrode in electrochemistry. It consists of a platinum electrode in contact with hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure and hydrogen ions at 1 molar concentration. The half reaction for this electrode is 2 H+ ions in aqueous solution plus 2 electrons react to form hydrogen gas. By international agreement, this reaction is assigned a standard reduction potential of exactly 0.00 volts. All other electrode potentials are measured against this reference. This standardization has made it possible to create consistent tables of reduction potentials used worldwide. Now, how do we interpret standard reduction potential values? If a species has a positive E degree value, it means that species has a higher tendency to be reduced compared to the standard hydrogen electrode. In other words, it more readily gains electrons. The more positive the value, the stronger the oxidizing agent. Conversely, if a species has a negative E degree value, it has a lower tendency to be reduced than hydrogen. This means it prefers to lose electrons rather than gain them, making it a better reducing agent. Understanding these values helps us predict which direction a reaction will proceed and which species will act as the oxidizing or reducing agent. To summarize, standard electrode potential is a quantitative measure of the reduction tendency of chemical species under standardized conditions. It provides a systematic way to compare how different substances behave in electrochemical reactions. By using the standard hydrogen electrode as a reference and maintaining consistent conditions of temperature, pressure, and concentration, we can predict and understand a wide variety of electrochemical processes. This concept is foundational for studying batteries, electrolysis, corrosion prevention, and many industrial chemical processes. Mastering standard electrode potentials opens the door to understanding the fascinating world of electrochemistry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.